Good morning, all of you. I myself, Tejashwini Singh from class 8th A from Mirapur branch. Today is our National Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th of January every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Every year, National Youth Day celebration inspires younger generation to come up with the innovative ideas and plans to make India a developed nation. Youths use various social media platforms to share the vlog on the teachings and philosophies of Swami Vivekananda so that people can implement them in their own life and can work towards the development of society and nation at large. The main objective of National Youth Day and the reason for its observance is to create a platform for the youth and address their problems in various spectrums of life. The teachings, philosophies, and ideologies of Swami Vivekananda are propagated through universities, schools, and college on National Youth Day every year. In the year 2020, on 12th of the January, the theme of National Youth Day was channelizing youth power for nation building. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda and the way he has lived his life inspires millions of you, not just in India but around the world. The teachings of peace and wisdom that Swami Vivekananda followed is inculcated to students by universities, colleges, and government institutions across India. Given the gravity of impact that Swami Vivekananda and his philosophy had on the people of India back then, the teachings have been thoroughly followed by for centuries. In the 21st century era, where there is cutthroat competition for youth to make a good career, the life philosophies of Swami Vivekananda inspires and push students to the limit to achieve the impossible. The teachings of Swami Vivekananda are in tune with cultural and ethic backgrounds of India, and hence his philosophy are easily relatable to people across the country. His name was written in golden letters in the history of India. He was a role model for not only the people of his country but to the whole world. We shall make efforts to inculcate his qualities and become a better person. Swami Vivekananda's name is a treasured component of Indian history. He was a worldwide role model and we shall need to put efforts to teach his qualities and become a better human on the whole. His teachings focused on four cardinal principles: the non duality of the Godhead, harmony of religions, the dignity of the soul, and oneness of existence. Swami Ji's call to the nation is arise, awake, and wake up yourself and awaken others. Achieve the culmination of life before you pass off. Arise, awake, and don't stop until the goal is reached. Thank you.